Kaladhavamanam.
स्वलीलाभिरानन्दकुन्दे स्वघोषं निमज्जन्तमख्यापयन्तम् तदीशितगेषु भक्तैर्जितत्वां पुनः प्रेमतस्तं शतावृत्तिवन्दे वरं देवमोक्षं न मोक्षावधिं वा न चन्यं वृणेऽहं वरिषादपीहा इदं देव पूर्णात् गोपालबाला सदा मे मनसा वीरस्तां किमन्ये इदं ते मुखाम्भोजम् अत्यन्तनीलैर्वृतं कुन्तलैः स्निग्धरक्तैश्च गोप्या मुहुश्चुम्बितं बिम्बरक्तादरं मे मनसा विरास्तामलं लक्षलाभे नमो देवदामोदरनन्तविष्णो प्रसीद प्रभो दुःखजलाभिमग्ना कृपादृष्टिवृष्ट्यादिदिनं बतानो गृहाणि क्षमामज्ञं निधक्षिदृश्या कुबेरात्मजौ बद्धमुक्त्यैव यद्वत् त्वया मोचितौ भक्तिभजौ कृतौ च कुबेरात्मजौ बद्धमुक्त्यैव यद्वत् त्वया मोचितौ भक्तिभजौ कृतौ च तथा प्रेमभक्तिं स्वकामी.
So request everyone. I see that. Okay. Am I audible? Am I audible? Can you please confirm me?
Yes, yes, Guru.
Okay, perfect. So what I'm saying is I see there are 60 participants and I see 101 participants on the Zoom. If you have anything, can you please put that on the chat, please? Let me call that out again. The pin is 5768921. You have to go on the other device, type in kahoot.it and type in this game pin 5768921. Give your name and you will be joined. So I'm still not sure why there are 100 participants and I see there are only 60 of them on Kahoot. So if you have anything, any issues, please call that out on the chat, please. Or you can raise your hand as well. Because I'm just going to wait another 3 to 4 minutes and I'm going to start it. Any issues, please raise your hand. You need to use the feature, the raise feature on the Zoom. Okay.
Prabhuji,
All right.
sorry to interrupt. I think the children may have just one device.
Sure.
So we can ask them to send their answers on the chat box, so we
Perfect.
could see both. Yeah. So we
Perfect.
can
Perfect.
start.
There are few of them who are saying logging on. One device is okay, right? Yes. One device is also okay. You need to just toggle around. You need to see the question and you need to open in the other browser, you need to open the kahoot.it, and there you need to give the answer, or you may give it on the chat box as well, whatever works for you. All right. So we'll wait for another 3 minutes, and 4:45 will start. I see 70 of them have already joined. So I'm just going to give another 3 minutes for participants to join in. Thank you.
अत्यन्ततो धृतगोप्यं रुदन्तं मुहुर्नेत्रयुग्मं रचन्तं कराम्भोजयुग्मेन शातङ्कनेत्रं मुहुश्वासकां पत्ररेखाङ्ककण्ठ स्थितग्रैव दामोदरं भक्तिबद्धम् इति दृक्स्वलीलाभिरानन्दकुण्डे स्वघोषं निमज्जन्तमाख्यापयन्तम् तदीशितागेषु भक्तैर्जितत्वां पुनः प्रेमतस्तां शतावृत्तिवन्दे वरं देवमोक्षं न मोक्षावधिं वा न चन्यं वृणेऽहं वरिषादपीहा इदं देव पूर्णात् गोपालबालां सदा मे मनस्या वीरस्तां किमन्ये इदं ते मुखाम्भोजम् अत्यन्तनीलैर्वृतं कुन्तलैः स्निग्धरक्तैश्च गोप्या मुहुश्चुम्बितं बिम्बरक्तादरं मे मनस्या विरास्तामलं लक्षलाभे नमो देवदामोदरनन्तविष्णो प्रसीद प्रभो दुःखजलाभिमग्नं कृपादृष्टिवृष्ट्यादिदिनं वतानो गृहाणि क्षमामज्ञं निधक्षिदृशा कुबेरात्मजौ बद्धमुक्त्यैव यद्वत् त्वया मोचितौ भक्तिभजौ कृतौ च
All right. I see there are 75 of them on Kahoot and 100 on an average 100 on the Zoom. So again, if you are able to, you can anytime you can join with this pin 5768921, even though if you are late, and even though if you break in between, if there is a network issue, you can rejoin again with the same pin 578921, and you will able to solve the rest of the questions. All right, all the best to all of you, and let's start. Our theme today is Vrindavan theme, and the questions are around Vrindavan temples and 6 Goswamis. All the best. Hare Krishna. So who is our Sambandh Guru? The options are Sanatan Goswami, Rupa Goswami, Jiva Goswami, and Raghunath Das Goswami. Okay, most of you have answered correctly. It is Sanatan Goswami who is our Sambandh Guru. Quickly, if anyone can type in on the chat box What is sambandha? Come on, quickly. What is sambandha? There are three different relationship. Okay, relationship. What relationship we are talking about here, Sriji? Relation. Sambandh is relation. Okay, but here we are specifically talking about something, relation with Lord. Yes, relation with Lord and Jiva, establishing relationship. Thank you, Sriji. Renu, Krishna Priya, Hasika, Govind, Anandi Gopi, Yaduvamshi, Jui, Sachin. Amazing. Thank you so much. All right, let's start. Yes, the correct answer is Sambandha is basically Sambandha Guru is Sanatan Goswami, and Sambandha means it is establishing our relationship with Krishna, the Jiva's relationship with Krishna. Thank you so much. All right, Madhav on the top, followed by Hemangi, Upanand, Nishu, and Sriji. Let's go to the next question. Which deity represents our Sambandh Guru? Radha Govind, Radha Vinod, Radha Raman, Radha Madan Mohan. Perfect. This is Radha Madan Mohan, who is the deity of our Sambandh Guru, which is Sanatan Goswami. All right, let's move to the next question. All right, Hemangi coming on the top, song followed by Sukrit, Sriji, Shama, and Nishu. 11 places. Krishna Priya is the highest climber. Moving to the next question. The third question is, what did Lord Chaitanya give to Raghunath Das Goswami? Gunjamala and Govardhan Sheela. Govardhan Sheela, Lord Chaitanya deity, or none of the above? Okay, great. So 30 of you have answered correctly. It is Gunjamala and Govardhan Sheela. So here Raghunath Das Goswami, when he was feeling lot of separation from Lord Chaitanya, that time Lord Chaitanya gave this Gunjamala and Govardhan Sheela was with Raghunath Das Goswami, and then he was feeling lot of separation from Lord Chaitanya when he went from Puri to Vrindavan, and from at Vrindavan he opened up his heart to Rupa Goswami and Sanatan Goswami that I want to give up my life, I want to jump off from the Govardhan. But then Rupa Goswami and Sanatan Goswami said that you are like my brother, and you have Gunjamala and you have the Govardhan Sheela with you. Please reside here. Please reside in Vrindavan and worship this Govardhan Sheela. And Raghunath Das Goswami agreed, and he started worshipping Govardhan Sheela. So this is what the pastime is around Gunjamala and Govardhan Sheela. Lord Chaitanya giving this to Raghunath Das Goswami. Okay, what is Gunjamala? Gunjamala is the flower garland. That is a Gunjamala. Okay, thank you. All right, moving to the next question. Sukrit coming on the top, followed by Shama, Hemangi, Aradhita, and Jeswita. Okay, let me call this out very clearly. Most important is this is fastest finger. The more you give the fast answers, you come on the top. But here we are not having a competition. So make sure read the question carefully and answer it properly. Okay, all right. Fourth question, who is our Prayojan Acharya? Rupa Goswami, Sanatan Goswami, Raghunath Das Goswami, Jiva Goswami. Okay, Raghunath Das Goswami is the correct answer. Quickly on the chat box, what is Prayojan? So three sambandha which we have with Lord Krishna, which is Sambandha, Abhideya and Prayojan. So can anyone tell me what is Prayojan? Goal of life to attain love of Godhead. Please tell me the game pin. The game pin is 5768921. 5768921. Attaining ultimate destination. Sukrit, Jui, who else? Hasika, Swara. Perfect answers. All of you. You got the correct answer. The answer is the ultimate goal of life, which is love of Godhead, is nothing but a prayojan. And our Prayojan Acharya is Raghunath Das Goswami. Little bit shuffle here. Aradhita coming on the top, the number 3, followed by Hemangi and Madhav. Sukrita and Shyama maintaining their first 2 positions. Who is our Prayojan DT? Radha Govind, Radha Gopinath, Radha Madan Mohan, Radha Raman. All right, so I see there are 29 of you have answered it correctly. It is Radha Gopinath, who is the Prayojan DT of Raghunath Das Goswami. All right, some shuffling here. I see Hemangi coming on number 3, followed by Aradhita and Shriji back on number 5. Swara up 19 places. Swara is the highest climber. Number 6, who is our Abhideya DT? Radha Giridhari, Radha Shamsundar, Radha Govind, Radha Gopinath. Correct. So Radha Govind is a correct answer. That is our Abhideya DT. Quickly on the chat box, please. What is Abhideya? Process of sadhana bhakti, process, Yaduvamshi, Shriji, anymore? I think so. My screen has frozen. Komal raised her hand. Is it okay? Devotional service, knowing the relationship between the Lord and Jiva, process of bhakti, process. Swara, Revati Raman, Hasika, Shriji, Anjali, Upanand, all of you are right. This is Abhideya, means it's a process of bhakti, acting, in engaging ourselves in devotional service is nothing but Abhideya. So Sambandha, Abhideya and Prayojan. Sambandha means establishing a relationship with Lord. Second is Abhideya. Abhideya is process of bhakti, engaging ourselves in devotional service. And the last, which is Prayojan, is love of Godhead, which is the ultimate goal of life. All right. So this is Sambandha, Abhideya, and Prayojan. So Sambandha, let's repeat again. Who is the Acharya of Sambandha? Quickly on the chat box. Okay, let me repeat again. So Sambandha, Abhideya, and Prayojan. Sambandha is establishing relationship with Krishna. Abhideya is the process, and Prayojan is the ultimate goal of life, which is attaining love of Godhead. So quickly on the chat box. Okay, Sanatan Goswami is the correct answer for Sambandha. How about Abhideya? Abhideya, please don't spam. Please don't spam. Abhideya is, come on, quickly. Yes, Sukrit, Shriji, Krishna Priya, Sadhya, Jui, Mokshit, Anjali, Vedika, Vaidehi. Perfect. All of your answer is correct. It is Rupa Goswami. And how about Prayojan? Yes, Deepa, Sukrit, Shriji. Thank you. Thank you. Nitya Manjari. All right. Thank you. Good. Good to go. So we have revised all Sambandha, Abhideya, Prayojan, what it means, who are their acharyas, and which are the different deities of Sambandha, Abhideya, and Prayojan. Sambandha is Radha Madan Mohan, Abhideya is Radha Govind, and Prayojan is Radha Gopinath. Thank you. Let's move to the next question. Let's see the dashboard. Sukrit, followed by Hemangi, Aradhita, Shyama, and Shriji. Not much of change. Seventh question, who is our Abhideya Acharya? Quickly, who is our Abhideya Acharya? All right, I just said the answer. It is Rupa Goswami. Good that everybody was hearing carefully, and that's why we see maximum of you have answered correctly. It is 52 of them they have answered correctly. Who is our Abhideya Acharya? Rupa Goswami is our Abhideya Acharya. All right, no changes. All of them maintaining their positions. Eighth question. Who was the nephew of Rup Goswami and Sanatan Goswami? Narottam Das Thakur, Srinivas Acharya, Shyamanand Pandit, Jiva Goswami. Okay, pretty straightforward answer. It is Jiva Goswami, who was a nephew of Rup Goswami and Sanatan Goswami. Quickly on the chat box, who was the father of Jiva Goswami? Who was the father of Jiva Goswami? Okay, Radha, Hasika, Sadhya, Krishna Balram, Bhanupriya, Madhuri, Namish, Revati Raman. All of you have answered correctly. It is Anupam who got it. Okay, Sankarshan, Krishna Priya, Mukund. All of you are right. The answer is Anupam. Thank you. All right, let's move to the next question. Ninth question. No changes. Radharaman is a worshipable lord of Rup Goswami, Bhugarbha Goswami, Gopal Bhatt Goswami, Loknath Das Goswami. All right. So yes, it is correct answer. The Gopal Bhatta Goswami is the Radharaman is the worshipful Lord of Gopal Bhatta Goswami. Quickly, if you can tell me, Radha Raman is a combination of three deities. Can anyone tell me who are they? Which are those three deities? Radha Raman is a combination of three deities. Radha Gopinath, Madan Mohan. Okay, Madan Mohan, Radha Govind, Radha Gopinath, Sukrit. Correct. Vaidehi, Vedika, who else? Radha Raman, Gopinath, Madan Mohan, Sadhya, Tarun Krishna, Lasya, Yaduvamshi. Thank you so much. It is correct. Radha Govind, Radha Gopinath, and Radha Madan Mohan. These are the combination. All three combined together is Radha Raman. Thank you so much. All right, let's move to the next question. 10th question. Lord Chaitanya gave this instruction, Trinadapi Sune Chena, to whom in Jagannath Puri? Rup Goswami, Raghunath Das Goswami, Sanatan Goswami, Jiva Goswami. Okay, it is Raghunath Das Goswami. I know this are bit difficult question, but the syllabus was very clear. We are going to focus on the 6 Goswamis and the 7 temples, and most of these questions are pretty simple. Exception, there are some 2 or 3 questions which are bit difficult. Rest of them, they are simple, straightforward questions. So if you have studied little bit, you would able to answer those questions. All right. So this was the instruction given to Raghunath Das Goswami. Generally, if you see in Nectar of Instruction, it is mentioned that Bhalovna Peribe, Bhalona Khaibe. So this was the overall instruction. There were many instructions was given, but the most important instruction given by Lord Chaitanya to Raghunath Das Goswami was Trinadapi Sunichena. That was the instruction. All right, moving to the next question. Please don't spam. Please don't spam. All right, moving to the next question. Raghunath Das Goswami used to have palm full of milk, palm full of rice, palm full of buttermilk, palm full of poha. Okay, most of you have answered correctly. Yes, it is palm full of buttermilk. There's a wonderful story around this. One day, Raghunath Das Goswami had a stomach upset. But generally, many people they were just thinking why he got the stomach upset, because generally he is having only a palm full of buttermilk. Then when there was Vallabhacharya's son, who is Vitthal Nathji, he had gone to check Vallabhacharya's son, Vitthal Nathji. He had gone and he checked Raghunath Das Goswami, and he said that he is having stomach upset because uh, he had lot of sweet rice, and this was a sweet rice where he was meditating, and at that time Srimati Radharani fed lot of sweet rice to Raghunath Das Goswami, and that is why he had this stomach upset. Otherwise, every time you'll see this is what he used to have, only a palm full of buttermilk every day. All right. And the new face has come up on the top. Aradhita, followed by Shama, Shriji, Sukrit, and Hemangi. All right. Moving to the next question. Rup Goswami personally gave Jeev Goswami which set of deities? Radha Govind, Radha Raman, Radha Damodar, Radha Shamasundar. Okay, yes, these are the Radha Damodar deities. These were personally carved deities by Rupa Goswami, and this was personally given to Jiva Goswami. And it is said that Radha Damodar deities they used to talk with Jiva Goswami. So these were the wonderful pastimes of Jiva Goswami with Radha Damodar deities. No changes on the dashboard. 13th question. Shad Goswami Ashtakam is written by whom? Srinivas Acharya, Narotam Das Thakur, Bilwa Mangal Thakur, Narotam Das Thakur. Okay, this was a bit difficult question. So Srinivas Acharya is the correct answer. So Srinivas Acharya, Shamanand Pandit, and Narotam Das Thakur, they were the uh, three different personalities. They were going together and they took the books from the spiritual books from Vrindavan to Bengal. And in between, little bit on Srinivas Acharya, I'll just speak on. Basically, he is from Jajigram and his father is Chaitanya Das, and he was the main person to get the books again back from King Birambir. So the King Birambir, he was the person who took all the books from Srinivas Acharya, Shamanand Pandit, and Narottam Das Thakur while they were traveling from Vrindavan to Bengal. And Srinivas Acharya personally, he stayed there and he got the books from King Birambir back. And this was a major contribution of Srinivas Acharya. Moving to the next question. Shama coming on the top, followed by Shriji, Aradhita, Sukrit, and Hemangi. 14th question. Original Madan Mohan deity were shifted to Jaipur, Vrindavan, Karoli, or Mathura? Okay, it is Karoli. The correct answer is Karoli. So a little bit on Madan Mohan ji's temple and how this deity came. Madan Mohan ji's deity, they were previously called as Madan Gopal, and that was worshipped by Advait Acharya, and that was given to Chobe, Purushottam Chobe, and he used to worship Madan Mohanji deities in Vatsalya Bhav. He used to chastise Madan Mohanji, and this was seen by Sanatan Goswami. And Sanatan Goswami, he said that this is not we treat the deities. This is not the we treat the Lord. Then the Lord came in the dream of Purushottam Chobe and said that Now going forward, I'm very much happy with your service, but I want now you need to hand over these DTs to Sanatan Goswami. And thereafter, the Sanatan Goswami, he took care of Madan Mohanji, and we know this pastimes, like we generally hear from Maharaj, and you might have heard from your uh, parents that um, Sanatan Goswami used to only give sukha chapati to Madan Mohanji, and Madan Mohanji said that at least you give little salt with that. And Sanatan Goswami said that yes, I knew that now you'll have many more desires, like I want this, I want that. If you want, you only take care of, and you only get the salt from anywhere. So he used to only give the chapatis. So then one great merchant, he had lot of salt bags, and one big boat was stuck in a storm. And then he came and he requested Sanatan Goswami, if you can pray, then I can my boat would um, get revealed or get free from that storm. Then he said, yo, please go and pray to this Madan Mohanji, and he will take care of it. And he will, because he is in need of salt, he will definitely answer your prayers. So that this is what happened. The prayers were answered, and he sold out all the salt. And then he came to Sanatan Goswami, said, I would like to do some service. And Sanatan Goswami said, yeah, please build some nice temple for Madan Mohanji. And this is how we see a magnificent temple of Madan Mohanji in Vrindavan. Moving to the next question. Okay, on top, Shama, followed by Radhadita, Shriji, Shubhangi, and Sukrit. 15th question. Radharaman DT is transformed from which Shaligram Shila? Vara Shila, Damodar Shila, Govardhan Shila, or Narsingha Shila? All right, so bit tricky here. This is the correct answer is Damodar Shila. Damodar Shila was transformed into was transformed to Radharaman DT. All right, Sriji coming on number 2nd, followed by Aradhita, Shubhangi, and Padmanabh coming on number 5. 16th question, who would perform Govardhan Parikrama every single day? Rup Goswami, Jeev Goswami, Sanatan Goswami, Gopal Bhatt Goswami. Okay, yes, this is most of you have answered correctly. It is Sanatan Goswami. He used to perform Govardhan Parikrama every single day. But when he became old, he was quite old, and but still he didn't want to give that uh, the the oath which he has taken, the religious principle which he was following of doing parikrama every day. Then finally Lord Krishna came, and he said that you take care of this Shila and just do 4 parikrama of the Shila, and then it will be just equivalent to doing a Govardhan parikrama. And that is why then he stopped doing that. And during his old age, he used to just take care of that Shila, and he used to perform uh, uh, parikrama around that Shila. Okay, no changes. Dashboard remains the same. 17th question. Who requested Raghunath Das Goswami to build Bhajan Kutir at Radhakund? Sanatan Goswami, Jeev Goswami, Rupa Goswami, Raghunath Bhatt Goswami. Yes, the correct answer is Sanatan Goswami, and we see here why he did that. So there were two incidences which happened when Raghunath Das Goswami, he was in deep meditation, and that time, so he has not built any bhajan kutir. He is just sitting on any of the uh, parikrama marg, and he is doing a meditation, and he is deeply absorbed in Lord Krishna's pastime. And that time